Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. So I got home from the mall today and there was a box on my front porch. Check it out. This is the ColourPop Bratz Girls Night Out collection. I got this for PR. They sent me the entire collection. I'm going to unbox this with you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So I totally remember Bratz. You know me. I'm like the pop culture queen. They came out in 2001. So I was a little bit older. I was in my 30s. But I remember my daughter getting Bratz stuff. So this is a super cute collection. Check it out. They've got the lippy kits. Look at these. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if there's names on these. They're so pretty though. Angel, yes, Angel. And then this one is Pretty Princess. I gotta say, for fall, these colors are like stunning. So I'm going to take out which one. This is Pretty Princess. Check it out. These are awesome. I'm gonna swatch this. This is so pretty for fall. I gotta say, these colors are right up my alley. I love this kind of like fall raisiny shade. Check this out. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm gonna put this one on. I've always been a huge fan of these like kind of brown shades. I've got green eyes with blonde hair and they always work on me and I feel like it's just a good look. I just love this color. Okay. So that is the Pretty Princess. Let me put this back in here. And then okay, so Pretty Princess is Yasmin. It's all coming back to me, you guys. And then Angel is Chloe. Check that out. This is an even darker shade. And then I have a third one, Jade. This one is called Cool Cat. And this is going to be more of like a brick red. I like that she got those cool sunglasses on. Check it out. That's awesome. So I got three. Oh, there's four of them. There's one more, you guys. There is Sasha. Check it. That makes sense because there's four of them. This one is Buddy Boo. Check it out. This one is more of like it's got like it's not pink, but it's more in the pink spectrum of like that red shade. So that one's super cool too. Okay, check it out. I got oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Look at these. These are the little stick-on diamonds. I could use those for Halloween. I think I can. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's more stuff in here. This is really what I want to see. I want to see the palette. I think this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. So, okay, I got everything out of there. Look at this. Okay. These colors are stunning. And it's funny, like a lot of people wonder if when you're over 50, you can pull off like sparkly colors from ColourPop. You totally can. I just got, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do a big reveal. These are stunning. Look at this. These are gorgeous. I wear metallic purple. I wear metallic gold. Look at these shades. I love this metallic purple. It's called Girls Night Out. This one right here and this one. Those are gorgeous. Living it up. Yeah, these are stunning. I have no problem wearing glitter at all. In fact, when I wear glitter, I get a lot of compliments. I really do. Ooh, what's this? This is the ColourPop So Juicy Lip Plumping Gloss in Girls Rule. I'm gonna have to try that out. I also got are these liquid liners. I got Super Stylin' and what's the other one? 2001, of course, 2001. I know because I was 31 in 2001, which is kind of scary. check this out. Look at this shade. That's stunning. I gotta put a little of that on. Look at this. Oh yeah. I will totally wear this shade. Like I said, it doesn't matter how old you are. That's why I love ColourPop so much. I've been using ColourPop forever. I was so excited to get on their PR list because I really think that women over 50 are wearing a lot of ColourPop. I just got Stranger Things. I just got Haunted Mansion. Oh, literally obsessed. Look at this. And I'm all for it. I will wear any type of glitter and revel in it. Look at oh my gosh, look at this. I'm so excited. These are gorgeous. Yeah, look at this. I will totally put this on anywhere. Look at this. Especially, for hell, I mean, I don't think I'd wear this like, maybe I would to the mall, but I might. But these are great for Halloween. I would totally put this on my eyes, just a touch to give me a little sparkle and shine. What's the other one? Ooh, the other one is body glitter. Oh, these are body glitter gel. Okay, so you can kind of put these on your neck. Yeah, you can use these all over. So I know a lot of people love these. Look at this one. That's so pretty. So if you were going out to like, I don't know, like a Duran Duran concert or something, you might want to add a little bit more like glitter if you're wearing like a sparkly top or something, like if you're going out dancing. Yeah, so that totally works for me. You can just put a little glitter on. Oh, that smells good too. It's got like this one. It's weird. You would think it doesn't have like a scent. It's got like a clean scent. I always love how ColourPop smells. Uh-oh, I dropped my lid. That's okay. I don't need the lid right now. Now I'm going to get it. Yes, I did get it. Okay. It fell the right way. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm going to try and swatch this, you guys. Look at this. It's like, oh my gosh. I would do like super glitter on here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This would make a really good Rocky Horror costume. Costume edition. Now I'm thinking, you guys. I love all of this sparkly makeup, I gotta say. So thank you so much, ColourPop, for sending me the Bratz collection. I'm on like overload for this collection. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that gold up there. Oh yeah, I will totally wear that. So anyway, if you have this one, let me know. But there's a lot of good stuff in here. It's funny because I feel like the lippies are a little bit more on the muted side, and then the eyeshadow is like over the top, which I actually like. I mean, I'll do that in my own style. Kind of see that on my hand. So a lot of times, like I'll pair up like a sparkly pair of shoes with like basic jeans, or I'll do like a rhinestone necklace with a t-shirt. So I kind of like how they're doing this. So you've got like a little bit of a muted everyday lipstick, and then you put it with some fancy eyeshadow. So anyway, thank you, ColourPop. This is so much fun. I'm going to have fun playing with this. Look at this. I'm all sparkly. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.